Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the little whale location for day 15 in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, they call a Whales event, and in this event you can get a special quest to collect the photo of little whales that scattered around the map, the Whalefall Canyon map. And then to do this quest, first you just need to meet NPC Naughty, and then next just start to collect the photo of little whales, and you must collect the photo every day. So if you missed the previous day, you can just check the tutorials in my Heartopia playlist. And then for today, for day 15, you can find these little whales near the Jellyfish Cave over here. You can just go to this area. You can see it. You can see these little whales. And then next, just open your camera and then just take a photo of it. Like this, just like that, you will successfully unlock the little whale for day 15. And then don't forget about the cell bubble that located on here. And then for the furniture bubble is located over here. You can see it. It's located on here. This area. This one, you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.